Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to discuss SSLC Karnataka State Board Dvitiya Bhashe Kannada, that is second language Kannada, the very important final questions which it can appear in your tomorrow's exam. I just want all the students, please ensure that these all questions you have well prepared. I can show you here the questions ಮೂರು ಅಥವಾ ನಾಲ್ಕು ವಾಕ್ಯ, and I want all the students, you need to go through from all the chapters and all the poems, all one word answers. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪಾಠ ಹಾಗೂ ಪದ್ಯದ ಭಾಗದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಅಥವಾ 3 ಅಥವಾ 4 ವಾಕ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಡಬಹುದು. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, जो 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चंस हैं, लेसन्स और पोएम से सारे क्वेश्चंस को आपको प्रैक्टिस करना ही पड़ेगा. ऑल क्वेश्चंस यू शुड नो. अभी हम इस वीडियो के अंदर द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स, अभी आपको जो भी पढ़ना है, जैसा भी पढ़ना है, जितना पढ़ना है, सब कुछ हम इसमें बताने जा रहे हैं. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. सो दिस आर द 3 or 4 sentences questions. Very important questions. Please make sure that these questions are very important. And next, coming back to the my dear students, I want to tell you one more thing. Don't think it is 64 questions. Some questions have repeated. Okay, no need to worry. Some questions have repeated here. And next, Kavi Parichaya, you have to write in paragraph. आपको पैराग्राफ में लिखना है. ये जो भी 64 क्वेश्चंस हैं, इसमें थोड़े क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होकर हैं. ओके, सम क्वेश्चंस हैव रिपीटेड. एटलीस्ट यू पीपल हैव टू एंश्योर दिस आर द कवि परिचयास. एंड नेक्स्ट, संदर्भा. These are the important sandarbha, most repeated questions, expected questions, model paper questions, preparatory paper questions, all the questions are here. Expected questions. So this is the study material of our coaching center, Evershine Coaching Center. We do release the study materials. This is the first time in the history of ESEC we are giving the study materials out in the public. Please go through it and utilize this opportunity. And these are the important alankaras and into hattu vakya, that is 4 mark questions. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And after watching this complete video, share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. Do not forget to click the like button and comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. So these are the important questions. And at last but not least, the admissions are opened in Evershine Coaching Center. We do have this year only Tannery Road branch, that is in Bangalore. We do conduct classes from class 1st standard to class 12th standard, science, commerce and art stream, and from 1st to 10th standard, Karnataka State Board, ICSE Board and CBSE syllabus. If any students have any doubts, you can contact to me on this respective contact number. And the next year batch, I mean the upcoming batch 2022-2023, it's going to start from 5th of April. If any students are interested to join for our regular offline classes, kindly do contact to this respective contact number. Hurry up, limited seats. Thank you for watching this complete video. And in the below description, I am going to share you the PDF link of this paper. Please kindly download it from that description column. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck. Keep watching to our YouTube channel.